251.94 here. I'm just going to take a quick look at my son Harry's Hot Wheel collection. Starting to grow a bit, so he's had a few more cars today, so let's have a look, see what he's had. There's his little box there. It's just an old Tesco 4x4 I found in the attic for him yesterday. That's an Ertl General Lee. It's quite old, that. The numbers are missing off the side. It's got two of them, I'm sure. This is from the Batman 5-pack. It's a Gotham City. Armoured Transport. So he's also got the tumbler. Gotham Police Department. Oh, look, there's the other Ertl General Lee. It's in better condition than the other one. Still not great, but he likes it. Cadbury's Cream Egg tanker. I think that's a Matchbox. No, it's a Majorette. Found that in the attic as well. Dinoco McQueen helicopter. I used to collect these for my elder son when he was young. Jacob. He's 11 now, so he doesn't bother with these anymore. Buzz Bomb with a missing wing. Used to be like a bee or a wasp. This is, I think this one's a 2007 treasure hunt. Drift King, yeah. He picked this one up today. Mad Manga. And he's got the Joker from the 5-pack. There's another one he picked up today. Arachnid. It's a black Toyota Tundra. This is the one from Spanky Mark 72. He said to say thanks. This is another Lightning McQueen car. RPM. Well used. The Batcopter from the 5-pack again. Sure, this is from Mach 5, is it? I think they did a film with these cars. Speed Racers, I think it was. Tesco Formula 1 mobile. Phone car. An old Ferrari. Mystery Machine. Loves that. Angry Bird. Picked this one up this morning as well. It's one of the newer models from a P and Q case. He liked that one. I think he likes his bikes a bit. It's the old Minion Pig. This is another bike he picked up today. And Volkswagen he quite liked. Got that one this morning. Metal engine. What's this? I think this is a Transformers car. Yeah, side swipe. This is a treasure hunt as well. He spotted it when I was going through my collection and asked if he could have it. This is another old one I found in the attic. Power pistons. Okay, that's a review of my son Harry's collection. Starting to build up quite nicely. And also, I've got 3 packages ready to go out. I couldn't get to the post today, so they'll have to go out Monday. My Stephen, Tech Crazy 1 and Spanky Marks packages, so I'll try and get them out early Monday. And you should get them early on in the week. Okay, this is Matthew 5194. So thanks for watching.